Welcome back, future medicos. Today we are going to look at the fee structure for Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College located at Pune. So this is a deemed university, or this college is affiliated to Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapith Pune, which is a deemed university. So let's look at the fee structure for this college for the year 2020. So the tuition fee for general management category is 25 lakhs per year. Okay. So the tuition fee for general management category is 25 lakhs, one of the most expensive colleges. There is an eligibility fee at the time of admission. For the first year only, you need to pay about 2 lakh rupees. And then the hostel fees with mess, you need to pay about 2,80,700 rupees. So the hostel fees is 2,05,700, whereas the mess is charged at 75,000 per year. So for the total year, you need to pay about 2,80,700. In addition, you need to pay a caution deposit of 50,000 rupees. Okay. So you need to pay a tuition fee of 25 lakhs, eligibility fee of 2 lakhs, hostel fees of 2,80,700, and then caution deposit of 50,000. So that works out to about 30 lakhs plus around 30.3 lakhs at the time of admission. And then if you look at the NRI category, the NRI category is 60,000 US dollars per year, which is the tuition fee. And then you need to pay $3,000 eligibility fee at the time of admission. So the first year only you need to pay this 3,000 US dollars. Then the hostel fee with mess comes to about 4,355 US dollars. And you also need to pay a caution deposit of 50,000 rupees for this college. And take note that these annual fees for MBBS course shall increase by 7% every year. Okay, so this is very, very important point you need to take note. Even though we start with 25 lakh rupees per year for the first year, in fact, the annual fees is going to increase by 7% every year. So this you need to take into account. Not only that, you need to take into account that the course fee will be applicable for 5 years. So it's not 4.5 years, it's 5 years. So both these points is very important for you to take note. That's why I said this is going to be the most expensive college in my opinion. I'm not sure, I have not checked all the colleges, but so far whatever I have checked, this seems to be the most expensive college, because it starts with 25 lakhs, have an increase of 7% every year, and they are also charging for 5 years. Now I will show you the calculation. So let's look at the calculation. Look at the calculation here. So the first year is 25 lakh rupees. With a 7% increase, the second year you will be paying about 26.75 lakhs. With another 7% increase in the third year, you might be paying around 28.6 lakhs. And with another 7% increase in the fourth year, you might be paying around 30.6. And in the final year, with a 7% increase, you might be paying around 32.8 lakhs. So if you add all the total costs, it comes to about 1.44 crores. How much? 1.44 crores. Add the 2 lakhs at the beginning you are paying to the college, it becomes 1.46 crores approximately. And then for the 5 years, if you work out the hostel and mess fees, which might come to around 15 lakhs. So we are talking about at least 1.6 crores as an expense if you are going to study at D.Y. Patil, Pune. Okay, how much it works out to? It works out to around 1.6 crores for the entire course, including hostel and mess. Now let's look at some more details. What else is there? The room accommodation is 3-seater. Okay, the room accommodation is 3-seater. That means 3 persons sharing non-AC room. Okay, 3 persons sharing non-AC room. So the same for NRIs also is a 3-seater non-AC room. Hostel with mess facility is available, and hostel is compulsory for 5 years. So you cannot say that I want to stay outside. You cannot stay. You must take the hostel, and hostel is compulsory for 5 years. So for 5 years, you need to pay 2,05,700 every year, assuming that there is no increase in the fee for hostel. Then let's look at what else. There is one more point I want to highlight. The mess charges is 75,000. That is 2,05,700 plus 75,000. That is how we get 2,80,000. But one thing is, the mess is compulsory for first year. Okay, the hostel is compulsory for all the 5 years, but however, the mess is compulsory only for the first year. For the subsequent years, you can choose whether to have the food inside the mess or you can choose to have it outside. But the hostel is compulsory. You must have it for 5 years. So these are the information I wanted to share with you for D.Y. Patil Medical College, Pune. So I hope this information is useful to you in selecting the right college and putting the right choices in the deemed university counseling. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in some other videos soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.